Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Netflix NW2-5 error on any smart TV. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now that this error right here is a network error. So what you'll do basically is go ahead over to the home screen and then just find the settings app, okay, or the settings section. And in here, just find a network. Yours will be different, okay, depending on the model of your TV. Did you want to find a network or Wi-Fi or sometimes internet, okay? So select that option, wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure that you are currently connected to a Wi-Fi. For example, right here, it says connected, okay? So once you're connected, go ahead and scroll down, okay? You will find Wi-Fi on or off. So just select it. Now, turn your Wi-Fi off for now, just to reset your connection. Now, once that's done, go ahead and turn it back on. Select a network from here. All right. And then once that's done, open up Netflix and check if it helps. If that still won't work, go ahead and go to your app section. Okay, under settings. Right here. Open up the applications. And then depending on the model of your device, sometimes you will have these pins, okay? So you just have to enter a pin. Wait for it to validate. And then in here, tap on Manage Installed Apps. And then we're going to find Netflix. Select Netflix. Now go ahead and scroll down and find Force Stop. Just like so. Just tap on it once. Nothing will happen. Scroll down. Find Clear Cache. Now tap on Clear Data. Click on OK. Once that's done, find Offload. Tap on it. Confirm. Wait a bit and it will open up your App Store. Okay. If not, just go ahead and find Netflix from your home screen or in the App Store. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on Netflix right here. It will then go ahead and update. If not, just to update it by yourself. Okay? Wait for the process to finish right here. It will just open up Netflix in no time. Once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. If that still won't work, try to power cycle your specific TV. Now, if you don't know how to power cycle your TV, you can just go ahead and open up your browser. It could be your phone or a computer. Just find, for example, power cycle LG TV. Okay, you'll have a ton of results right here. Just follow the simple prompts. Okay, and that's basically it. Once you've done the power cycle, you should be good to go. And if all else fails, well, just wait for your internet to have a stable connection, as this one again is an internet problem. That is how you fix Netflix NW2-5 error on smart TV. This video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.